Investing in new equipment from Atlas Copco means investing in higher productivity and better quality. We offer maximum uptime for our customers. And help them to achieve consistent production quality and low life cycle costs. Atlas Copco provides different service programs tailored to our various customers' needs. For larger projects, a technician on site during the warranty period can handle warranty and repair issues quickly. Preventative maintenance and calibration programs can also be performed. For projects without an on-site technician, we offer the new Tool Cover. Tool Cover provides full coverage and documentation of the tool. We make sure our customers have the best possible service program for their specific needs.